Hey everybody, Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Today we are rebuilding a carrot box, and some may say, carrots? You're planting carrots in July? Yes, I am, because I have a breed that grows in the heat. It's called the Romance carrot. So we're rebuilding a carrot box. Now when I harvested these, after about 6 inches, some of them started to turn like this. Or they started to fork. So that means that deeper down my soil was not loose enough. So what we're doing is I basically just raked back all the loose stuff to here, all the top grade, and then I took the oscillator, broke up the next layer, and raked it back. Then we're taking the oscillator, we're going to break this layer back, and that's about half the box. We'll put some perlite in there, oscillate it down in there, rake it back over, a little more perlite, oscillate it, and then we'll do that, and then we'll have to rake it all back to the other side and do it that way. This box was not originally installed as a carrot box, but it works great as a carrot box. So we're rebuilding the carrot box, refreshing and revitalizing it, and in the meantime we're breaking the soil up a little bit deeper, a little bit deeper, a little bit deeper, so that when my carrots get 6, 8, 9 inches long, they're not starting to curve, and we can try to minimize how many of them have legs and forks. Now in this batch, I had a few, but customers didn't really seem to mind, although in the other batches that were in boxes built for carrots, where the soil mix was built for carrots, the carrots were beautiful and straight and nice and long and big and thick and fat, and they seemed to like that a little bit better. So we're just going to invest a little bit of time today in rebuilding this carrot box, and hopefully maybe we'll get it planted tomorrow after market or something like that, because we've got a lot of chores that we're trying to get done today. I'm Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Hey everybody, this is Matt with Low Cash Homestead. So we're prepping for market tomorrow, and what we have here is some Speckled Romans. These Speckled Romans are absolutely beautiful, and I actually prefer the Speckled Roman. This is a sauce tomato. I prefer the Speckled Roman to the Roma. With the way that I grow things, the Speckled Roman just gets so much bigger, and it has this beautiful, beautiful texture. And I'm going to eat one. So here I am, and I'm going to eat the Speckled Roman. And that is delicious. I'm going to enjoy the fruits of my labor. You guys have a good day.